Good afternoon. The Supreme Court en banc, during its session today, February 25, 2025, acted on the following matters. In the case of Sara Duterte versus House of Representatives et al., Vice President Duterte filed a petition for certiorari and prohibition with a prayer for a temporary restraining order, or TRO, seeking to nullify the fourth impeachment complaint against her. She claims the impeachment complaint violated Article 11, Section 3, Paragraph 5 of the Constitution, which states that no impeachment proceedings shall be initiated against the same official more than once within a period of 1 year. The court required the House of Representatives, its Secretary General, Reginald Velasco, and the Senate to comment on the petition within a non-extendable period of 10 days from notice. In the case of Francis Leo Marcos versus Comelec, the Supreme Court on January 21, 2025, issued a TRO preventing the Comelec from declaring Francis Leo Marcos a nuisance candidate in the 2025 elections. The court ordered Marcos to show cause within 48 hours from notice why he should not be cited in contempt for his actions, which tend to bring the court's processes into disrepute or disrespect. A copy of the available pleadings may be downloaded from the public pleading section of the Supreme Court website.
Yung kay VP Sara, iintay naming matanggap yung notice mula sa Korte Suprema. Because as I understand it, I've read the petition. There are no allegations against the Senate in the petition itself. The Senate was merely included as a necessary party dahil sa amin nakafile yung case eh. Pero wala namang allegation laban sa amin, wala ring hinihiling laban galing sa amin. In fact, diretso nyo nalang hinihiling sa Korte Suprema na ipadismiss ito. So, i-refer namin malamang ito sa Solicitor General matapos naming matanggap yung notice kung talagang pinapa-comment kami o hindi. Dahil sa pagkakaalam ko, hindi rin kami named party dun sa nabasa kong petisyon. Baka iba kasi naisaad ng spokesperson doon sa actual na notice na matatanggap namin. So we will formally await the notice coming from the Supreme Court. As of today, wala pa kami natatanggap kaugnay sa petisyon ni Vice President Sara.
Sorry, ito po bang mga steps na tinitake ngayon ng Senate? Is this in response to people who are commenting na ay walang ginagawa, inuupuan lang ng Senate?
No. No. It took us this long to be able to do these things again because we are acting on it prudently. We are not rushing, but neither are we delaying. This is not in response to any call or clamor or kahilingan ng kahit sino man, lalo na mga partisano o bias ng mga tao. Ito ang trabaho po namin. May humiling man o wala, may clamor man o wala, ano man ang sinasabi ng mga bias o wala.